2-meter self-adhesive screen repair patch tape. Tape is ultra-strong adhesive, sticky, usable for any screen surface, high and low temperature resistant, easy to use, durable, and practical. Tape is 5 cm by 2 meters, strong glue, non-toxic, waterproof, and flame retardant. The repair area with a dry cloth. Trim clearly the hole around. Cut the corresponding size and leaving an extra ½ inch around the damaged area, holding the adhesive side of the patch against the tear. Check out and follow for more tips and hacks.
Amazing screen door tape!
So yun guys, i-translate natin yung sinabi niya. Ano nga ba yung sinabi? So yan guys, sa mga may problema po sa mga screen door nila, yan na po yung solusyon. Hindi nyo na kailangan bumili ng aluminum screen.